Next, we'll learn how to add event details, video conferencing, and attachments. First, choose your time zone. Next, set up a reoccurring event. You can make it daily, weekly, monthly, annually, every weekday, or customize your own. And then find a time. Find a time when your teacher is free for the meeting. Add event details. Add the meeting location. Send event notifications, and more. Add video conferencing. Add a video meeting to your event. Click Make it a Zoom meeting, and then add an event description. Add details such as contact information, instructions, or links to your event. Format your description by adding bold, italic, or underline, or add lists and links. And last, add attachments. Attach files such as documents or presentations to your events.